Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata.
Today we are going to make vegetable biryani.
Let's see how to make a tasty and aromatic quick vegetable biryani. We are going to make it in a cooker today. This is an easy to make recipe for bachelors and people who are new to cooking.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
First, we have a cooker ready on a pan. Add 6 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Also add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then add 2 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 mace and roast it lightly. With that add 4 slit green chilies, 3 medium sized onions that are chopped lengthwise, add that as well. Roast it until the onions turn to golden color.
Onions sauteed into golden color. Now let's add ginger garlic paste.
I have 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Let's add that. And also add some curry leaves. Saute until the raw smell goes away.
After adding ginger garlic paste, keep stirring, otherwise it will be burnt.
Ginger garlic raw smell is gone. Now add half handful of mint and mix it. Then add 3 medium sized tomatoes that are chopped lengthwise. Saute well until the tomatoes become nice and mushy. Tomatoes sauteed nicely. Now add 3 tablespoons of chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and saute it until the raw smell goes away.
2 minutes of sauteing is enough, right?
Yes, 2 minutes is enough. Next, add 2 tablespoons of curd and saute until the oil separates in low flame. Add 1 carrot chopped in pieces, 1 potato chopped in pieces, 5 beans chopped in pieces, 10 pieces of cauliflower and quarter cup of green peas. Vegetables are your choice. You can add whatever vegetables you like. Mix it well and saute for 2 minutes. I have 2 cups of basmati rice soaked. For that you need to add 3 cups of water to the cooker. For 1 cup rice, 1.5 cup of water is the measurement. Add 2 teaspoons of salt, mix it well and boil it. While it's boiling for a few minutes, drain the water and add 2 cups of basmati rice to it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it well. At this point, check for salt and adjust it to your taste. Salt in general should be a little more than normal so that once the rice cooks, it balances the taste. Mix it well and keep cooking. Once the water with rice comes up to this level, add a handful of mint, half handful of coriander leaves, few curry leaves, 10 cashew nuts that's roasted in ghee.
Cashew nuts are optional. If you like, you can add it to it. It gives an extra taste.
Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, mix it lighter. Close the lid, place the weight and cook for about 10 minutes on low flame and turn it off. 10 minutes done, let's move the cooker aside. Let it stay there for 10 minutes, we will open it later.
Now let's open and see.
Now mix it slightly from the sides. You should always mix it from the sides. The rice is cooked perfectly. An aromatic and a tasty vegetable biryani is ready. Very aromatic vegetable biryani is ready. Please try making this. We are sure you will love it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.